I'm Kat Miller, and this is Dice TV. If you're just starting out as a software engineer, you probably already have a college degree in something like computer science, or even software engineering. Or maybe you say it's in computer science, but it's really just in accounting. All right, that's my last Scott Thompson joke, I swear. You're probably a reasonably good coder and you know something about software systems, but there are a number of skills that they don't teach you in school. No, not those. I'm talking about skills that will turn you from a good programmer into a career software engineer. First and foremost, listening. Listening is the most important skill you can cultivate as an engineer. Listen to your customers, to your fellow developers, to your fellow testers. Listen to your system. You can build almost anything, but the trick to building the right thing, the thing that meets your customers' needs and does it in an elegant way, is listening. They'll tell you just what they need as long as you're listening for it. Testing is up next. Testing is your way of proving that the software you build meets your customers' expectations both now and in the future, which sounds kind of useful, right? Testing is finally gaining importance throughout the software engineering community and, we're glad to say, has started being discussed in schools. Next up, working in teams. When you're in school, most projects you work on are solo or in very small groups. Then you get your first software engineering job and all of a sudden you're on a team working with at least a dozen other engineers on one product. This is one of the most difficult transitions to make, and you've got some frustrating moments in your future until you learn to work effectively on a team. At some point, you're going to accidentally overwrite someone else's change. You're going to get halfway through writing something only to discover that your teammate is doing something completely different, and now you both have to rewrite it. Cultivating the ability to work as part of a team allows you the ability to learn from others and ultimately become a better software engineer, and will definitely help keep you out of jail. Lastly, design. Design is an overloaded word, so let me just say here that I'm talking about user interface design. The graphics, colors, workflow, and look and feel of an application all contribute to how good people think the software is. Good design makes your software look better. Bad design negates some of your hard work. You don't have to be a designer, but at least learn the basic principles of good design. To graduate from programmer to software engineer, start cultivating each of these skills on your own. They're the ones that will take you from pretty good to great. And we all know what great software engineers get.
Well, fame, women.
Work. Guys, they get work. I'm Kat Miller, and this is Dice TV.